Okay, so we pour the water. If the water comes out of these holes, then it is not sealing properly. So let's have a look. Fill it full. And wait. Okay, so I left it sit for about 30 minutes, and now we check the results. I already checked. I can see that here it is leaking, so I'll show you. Here you can see water, which means this valve is not sitting good. This one has a lot of carbon in it, and the other two are good. So I will be disassembling the head and to check the valves, removing the carbon and using the paste to grind out the seat so it sits better and doesn't leak here anymore. So we will be removing the valve now. Okay, so now what we do is we take the head, put the rug under here, okay, and use hammer. This is the one that is leaking. See, there is no here. There should be a wide rim where the metal sits, and you can see there is nothing. Let's check the second one. Looks better, but there is a lot of carbon. This one doesn't want to come out, so it may be bent.